Video on how to program your columns to match your selections on a Coca-Cola machine, a stacker. This is specifically a 550. This would work for a 660 or an 804 just as well. First, we're going to find where the mode switch, which is up here on this machine, and we're going to press that one time. Next, we're going to use our 2 button, or forward, until we get to password. In our region, the password is 4231, enter. 4231, enter. This is at cache. I'm going to hit forward, the 2 button, until I get to STS. That's space to sales, meaning the space inside the machine to the sales item on the front. I'm going to hit 4, enter. Custom space to sales, I hit 4, enter. I hit 4 to get to selection 1. This says selection 1 is columns 1 and 6. I'm then going to look at my menu to make sure that's how I want to program it. In this particular machine, columns 1 and 6, well, I've already set them up, and this is already Coke. Excellent. So that is programmed. So now I'm going to hit 2 again, 4 to go to my second selection, and it says selection 2 is column 7. Well, I want it to be columns 2 and 7, so I'm going to hit enter again to go into the programming for selection 2. I'm going to hit forward, and it's going to go through the columns till it says column 2. When it says column 2, I hit enter again. Now I'm in the programming for column 2. On this particular machine, 0 is off, 1 is on. I'm going to turn column 2 on for this selection. I hit enter. So I hit 1, which takes us back, and it shows me selection 2 is now columns 2 and 7. Perfect. I hit forward or 2, and it shows me selection 3 is programmed at column 2. Well, I show that I want selection 3 on my menu to be cherry in column 3. So I have to turn off column 2 and turn on column 3. So I hit enter to go into the programming. Go to column 2. I hit enter to go into the programming for that column. I hit forward. It goes to 0, which means it's not programmed. I hit enter. So column 2 is now 0. Now I'm going to forward to column 3, which I want to turn on. I hit enter to go into the programming for column 3. It's flashing the 0 at me. I hit 2 to advance that to a 1, meaning it's on. Enter to save that programming. Column 3 is now set for, is now on for this selection. I hit the 1 button, the escape button, and now it says selection 3, column 3. Perfect. Now we just keep doing that for each selection, making sure each selection is programmed for what we want on here. And then I'll have to change my labels on the front, obviously, to match my menu. And you go through all that procedure. When you are finished with all of that, you hit this 1 to escape out. This is important. Note, it's now going to say save. If you do not hit enter to save this, you will lose all the programming you just did in your space to sales. I hit enter. I'm now back to space to sales. The columns have now been programmed to match the selections on the outside of the machine.